Welcome to the Data Janitor. I'm Mike West, and thanks for joining me. In my opinion, the best entry-level role for a career working with data is the data analyst. Now, if you don't know what a data analyst is, I'll put a link down below to a post I created on defining what a data analyst is. A data analyst does not work with Python or build machine learning models. A data analyst builds reports and KPIs. Please don't confuse the data analyst role with the machine learning engineer or the data scientist. They are completely different roles. In the Microsoft world, data analysts work with SQL and Power BI. Power BI is an interactive data visualization product developed by Microsoft with a primary focus on business intelligence and reports. Notice that last line? That means Power BI is a gateway into a machine learning role. Okay, what does LogikBot have to do with all this? LogikBot is my platform for learning applied machine learning. However, I noticed a trend a few years ago where companies aren't hiring entry-level machine learning engineers. Instead, they are hiring people from existing roles. Why are they doing that? Well, as I mentioned 100 times before or more, most machine learning is data sourcing and data cleansing. That's what data analysts do, so it makes sense to hire those that are skilled working with data and then train them on the modeling aspects of machine learning. The design behind my platform is simple. Help those interested in a career working with data get into a data analyst role as quickly and as affordably as possible. That means you're going to need to focus on two specific things: SQL and Power BI. Your goal is to learn enough SQL and enough Power BI to get an entry-level role. Now, in order to be taken seriously for entry-level roles, you're also going to need a Power BI certification. I have an exam simulator on LogikBot to help you get through that. If you're counting, that's 3 things you'll need for a career as a data analyst working in Microsoft shops. You're going to need SQL, Power BI, and you're going to need to pass PL 300, which is the Power BI certification. The entire process should take around 6 months. Currently, LogikBot is around $15 a month. That means the cost for training in the exam simulator is around $100 total US dollars. Now, the exam is expensive, so you want to be well prepared for that. Currently, the exam costs $165 US dollars. And that's not included in the subscription to LogikBot. If you really wanted to juice up your resume, I'd suggest one more certification: administering relational databases on Microsoft Azure. Now, I don't have any training for that, but I did add an exam simulator for it. This isn't required, but it will add extra punch to your resume. Now, you do have other options out there. You could learn MySQL and Tableau. However, this path is much more expensive, and there are less job opportunities out there for this path. If you're not in an IT role already, I'd highly recommend this path for preparing for data-related roles in the real world. Additionally, this path as a data analyst alone is a great career. Maybe you really like working with Power BI and focus on that tool alone. Senior Power BI analysts can make $150K or more in the US. Regardless of your path, the data analyst role is one of the best gateway roles to a career working with data. Additionally, it doesn't get more affordable than LogikBot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.